Waterflood, the secondary recovery. The secondary recovery method in oil production. Waterflooding is a secondary oil recovery method used to increase the production of oil from an oil reservoir. In this process, water is injected into the reservoir to displace the oil and push it towards the production wells. The injected water creates a pressure gradient, which helps to sweep the oil towards the producing wells. Waterflooding can be done using various injection methods, including pattern injection and peripheral injection. The success of waterflooding depends on factors such as the permeability and porosity of the reservoir, the properties of the injected water, and the reservoir's fluid properties. The process can be enhanced by using advanced techniques such as polymer flooding, surfactant flooding, or alkaline flooding. Waterflooding is considered as a cost-effective method of secondary oil recovery, and it has been used extensively in many oil fields around the world. However, it is not suitable for all reservoirs, and its effectiveness varies depending on the specific geological and reservoir conditions. Waterflooding is typically used after primary oil recovery methods. It can recover an additional 10 to 30% of the original oil in place, OOIP, from a reservoir, making it an attractive option for oil companies looking to increase their production. The process of waterflooding involves injecting water into the reservoir through injection wells. The water is then forced through the rock formation, displacing oil from the pores and fractures in the reservoir. The oil is then pushed towards the production wells, where it is extracted. One of the main challenges of waterflooding is maintaining the pressure gradient in the reservoir, which is necessary for pushing the oil towards the production wells. This can be achieved by adjusting the injection rate and pressure, as well as the placement of the injection and production wells. Water quality is also an important consideration in waterflooding. The injected water should be of high quality to prevent damage to the reservoir, such as scaling or clay swelling. In some cases, chemicals such as biocides, scale inhibitors, or corrosion inhibitors may be added to the injected water to enhance its performance. Overall, waterflooding is a proven method of secondary oil recovery that can increase the oil production. It is a cost-effective option for many oil companies, and ongoing research is focused on improving the process through the use of advanced techniques and technologies. New technologies such as sensors, data analytics, and machine learning are being developed to improve reservoir management and optimize the waterflooding process. In conclusion, waterflooding is a proven method of secondary oil recovery. Thank you.